people, Namaste. Welcome to Bliss Souls by Monica. I am a certified nutritionist, yoga, pranayam, and meditation practitioner. So today we'll be learning how to do Parivratta Trikonasana. It is a counter pose to Utthita Trikonasana. I have also done a video on how to do Utthita Trikonasana. You can check that out. Coming to Parivratta Trikonasana, Parivratta means revolved, Trikona means triangle, and Asana means pose. Hence, it is also called as revolved triangle pose. Parivratta Trikonasana tones up your leg muscles, thigh muscles, hamstrings, and calves. Since it increases the blood supply around your spinal region, the spine and the back of the muscles are also made to function properly. It also strengthens your hips and invigorates your abdominal organs. I've also listed down all these benefits in the description below. So let's hop onto our mat and do the asana. For this asana, keep a yoga block or any hard block that you have at home handy. So, stand in Tadasana. Take 3 feet distance between your legs. Turn the right foot 90 degrees to the right. See to it that your right foot is in the center of your left foot. Turn the left foot slightly to the right. Raise your arms sideways in line with the shoulders, palm facing down. Inhale, exhale, and with a smile, rotate the trunk sideways to the right, bringing the left palm on the floor near the outer side of your right foot. Keep the right palm on your right hip. You can use the yoga block. Raise your left palm completely on the block. If possible, stretch the right arm up. Gaze at the right thumb. Tighten your kneecaps. Stretch both the shoulder and shoulder blades. Be in this position for 20 counts. Once you complete 20 counts, lift your left hand up and come back to the original position. We will be repeating the entire process on the left side. For those who cannot touch their palms or fingers on the floor, I will be showing you an easier technique to do the asana. You practice the easier technique and eventually you will be able to touch the palm on the floor. So take 3 feet distance between your legs. Turn the left foot 90 degrees to the left. See to it that it's in the center of the right foot. Turn the right foot slightly to the left. Raise your arms in line with the shoulder. Exhale, and with a smile, rotate your trunk to the left, bringing your right palm onto your left ankle. Your left palm should touch your left hip. Tighten your kneecaps and gaze at the ceiling. Hold this position for 20 counts. Twist. Once you complete 20 counts, come back to the original position. So friends, I hope you have learnt the correct technique of doing the asana. If you like this video, please show some love and click on the like button. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you soon. Namaste.